Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go. Midnight cold like a streak of light, charging up the ridge till he's out of sight. He don't need a map, he don't need a road, just a mountain wind and a heart to unload. Scramble in the scree where the shadows fall. He's the king of the clouds, he's the lord of the dash, coffee in a chip blue cup, dog in the backseat, windows all rolled up, then up, boot prints on the welcome mat. Last look at the old front door, key on the table.
Looks like we found an Islay buoy. What have you got there? This is Machir Bay. It's the western part of Islay. So we've come here first. It only took 30 minutes from getting off the ferry, and it looks like it's okay to stay in the little car park overnight at least. There's quite a few cars, so people are visiting regularly, but we'll be off in the morning anyway.
Pippin hits the road again, oh yeah, lifelines catching every wind. Heading to the mountains, chasing sky, little car humming, eyes on high. Pippin hits the road again, same old jacket, brand new bend. She says I might be late, but I'm right on time. Rolling to a different climb. Radio crackle, sing along to songs she half knows. Finger out the window, tracing every curve the shoreline throws. Polaroids in the glove box, faded smiles and summer sand. She flips one over, I wish you were here with a steady hand. Pippin hits the road again, hey.
This is Port Hayden. Just come down, just stopped somewhere in the middle of it. Yeah, there's a long single track road to get here, pretty rough. I don't think there's anything else here, there's no shops or anything. Right, so we're going to go off and explore now the rest of the island.
Mountains chasing sky, little car humming, eyes on high. Pippin hits the road again, same old jacket, brand new bend. She says I might be late, but I'm right on time. Rolling to a different climb. Higher up the air gets thin, she can taste the trouble and the grin. Hairpin turns and postcard pines echo back her old goodbyes. Is it running? Is it home? Maybe both. She drives alone. Oh, but every mile that falls behind feels like finding back her mind. Pippin hits the road again, lifelines catching every wind. Heading to the mountains, chasing sky, little car humming, eyes on high. Pippin hits the road again, same old jacket, brand new friend. She says I might be late, but I'm right on time. Rolling to a different climb. Pippin hits the road again.
Well, we've come right round the island now from where we were on the west side, through Port Helen, past the various distilleries, Ardbeg, couple of Lafrogue, yeah, went past that. And we come to this place now. This is about as far on the east side as we can get. Claggain Bay. A pretty incredible park up. At the moment, there's nobody else here, but we could have somebody else turn up at any time, so keep an eye out. But there's quite a few little parking areas around here, and the signs say explicitly that camping's allowed for up to 3 nights.
Every step, the world feels wide, like there's nowhere left to hide. Silent skies hold us still, time slows down against the hill. In this moment, nothing new, just the world and me and you. No past to chase, no need to try. Just drifting under highland skies. Clouds roll low beneath our feet, where the earth and silence meet. Every shadow fades to gray as the day just slips away. You move